Hey guys, welcome to IPINKIT. My name is Ingrid. Honestly, I've been dreaming of this day, the day I finally get to bring s'mores back in my life and yours. I have a feeling that a lot of you haven't had s'mores in a while because of the allergens or probably have never tried them. And I feel bad for the kids that see everyone eating s'mores yet being unable to because of the allergies. So I really hope that if you happen to have all the allergens that I have, this recipe helps you a lot. For this recipe, I'm going to be completely honest. I found vegan marshmallows, and I know that until a couple of weeks ago, I genuinely thought this recipe was impossible to make, but look. Oh my goodness, like vegan marshmallows that are top 9 allergen free, they exist. I feel like if you go to the store, you'll realize that marshmallows are not vegan, and then when you find the vegan marshmallows, you'll see that they have soy, so it is a mess. As for the chocolate bars, I'm going to let you know, use whichever brand that you want. However, if you're looking into a top 9 allergen free, then I'm going to share my recipe with you. And for the graham crackers, this one is top 9 allergen free and you'll learn how to make it from scratch. I really hope that you enjoy this video. Let's start by adding 3/4 cups of brown rice flour, 3/4 cups of oat flour, half a cup of applesauce, this is to replace the eggs, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and finally a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix it all well until you get a firm dough. You don't need to refrigerate your dough. However, I will recommend you to dust some gluten-free flour, this way your dough is not going to get sticky. Next, we're gonna go ahead and flatten the dough. Basically, I'm going to be using my mat as a reference for the measurements because I want this sheet to be 10.5 by 15.5 inches. Alright, so next step is going to be to cut the crackers. For this, you can use a knife. I'm gonna go ahead and cut vertical lines with a width of 2.5 inches. Don't worry about the last one, it's going to be only 2 inches, but you can still use the crackers. Then repeat horizontally, but this time it's going to have a width of 3 inches. This is where you need to be a little patient because we're gonna go ahead and poke little dots. This is to resemble the graham crackers. While you're doing this, go ahead and preheat your oven at 320 Fahrenheit degrees. Brush off any dust and go ahead and bake them for 15 to 20 minutes until golden brown. Once baked, they will be crunchy on the outside and very soft in the inside. Now let's prepare the chocolate bars. Go ahead and melt half a cup of chocolate chips. These are allergy friendly and vegan. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and mix it well until fully melts. All the ingredients are going to be listed in the description box below. I went ahead and got this mini rectangle mold which is going to help me to make the bars. Once you divide all your chocolate equally, go ahead and refrigerate this for a minimum of 1 hour or until it hardens. When you have all your ingredients ready, I'm talking about the graham crackers and the chocolate tablets, you're gonna go ahead and melt the marshmallows. I'm going to be using a griller, but honestly, you can just go ahead and use a fire pit. This is just to make it simple. And for the griller, I just need to put my marshmallows for 30 seconds as they melt really quickly. This recipe is going to yield 8 s'mores. I feel like a lot of you already know how to build them, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I assemble them. guys, want to know what the most painful thing about being a food blogger is? Getting to see how yummy this dessert you haven't had in over 2 years looks like and not being able to eat it. So right now, I'm about to try it. Honestly, can you believe this is literally the first time that I make allergy-friendly vegan s'mores? Well, technically the graham crackers, I've already made them and it's just putting everything together, so oh gosh. You guys. Whoa. Yeah, this is yummy, but oh my god. Okay. Let me just clean myself off camera. Oh my goodness. Okay, I made a mess, but that just says that these s'mores are yummy and I cannot wait for you to make them at home. A couple of things I want to address. So the first one being the chocolate. Honestly, it is super creamy, so you're going to enjoy it more than the other ones, and it doesn't have like that weird taste of dairy when you eat it, so it's really yummy. Marshmallow literally tastes the same as I remember the non-vegan ones, and the graham crackers, delicious. You're not literally going to miss anything. So for anyone who has never tried a s'more, I can't wait for you to have the first bite of these top 9 allergen-free vegan ones. And if you guys would love to get the Gluten recipe, that's going to be on my blog, and the link is right here. Also, for this month, because it's Food Allergy Awareness Week, I am running a campaign, so every time you use the code IPINKIT, uppercase letters, you're going to get $5 off my first cookbook. So it has 27 recipes, well, it's more like 30 recipes that you can easily customize. And if you use the code IPINKIT, you're gonna get $5 off. I can't wait for you guys to try this recipe, to try my ebook, to subscribe to IPINKIT. Yeah, that's true! First time that I don't say that. If you haven't subscribed to IPINKIT, then make sure to subscribe. All you need to do is click this button on your screen, hit the bell once if you want to receive notifications every time I upload a video. And without further saying, if you have allergy-friendly vegan folks that you know, friends, your family, send this recipe to them. Do them a favor, they're gonna love it. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I love you all so much, and I'm gonna see you next week with a brand new video. Bye guys. I feel like it's just the chocolate at this point. I'm super hyper because of the chocolate, but they're so yummy. Okay, bye guys.